LPS Everything. Subscribe!
Hey Susan, my mom bought me 2 tickets for a cruise ship. Do you want to come with me?
Sure, that would be so much fun.
We'll have to pack our bags after school. How about we meet up at your house?
Okay, that sounds good. Hey, no talking in my class. As you can tell, I was talking the whole time. So I was giving instructions. You're just going to have to fail class.
Tickets to a cruise ship.
Understand that you want to be unsuccessful in life. Looks out and turn to page 365.
Okay, gosh, we just wanted to have fun on our cruise ship.
Cruise ships after school. You guys are in the 11th grade. Get used to it.
All right, 365, right?
Isn't that what I just said? I think I did. Now, turn to that page and let me explain.
Okay, so we're meeting at your house after school, right?
Holy snipper, what did I just say?
Charlotte Van Gogh.
I'm gonna have detention after school today.
Oh, today's Friday. I'm going on the cruise ship.
Detention, you just assaulted a teacher. And your former classmates.
I'll do anything, please.
10 push-ups that'll make it only an hour.
This isn't physical education.
Make it 7 hours?
Fine. 2, 3, 4. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Barbara, I think I pulled a muscle.
Also working up a sweat, and don't call me by my first name.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Barbara, am I done yet?
Phony. Redo it. Hours later.
Mrs. Pottywheel? It's after class. We were supposed to leave an hour ago.
Young Padawan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah! You don't know anything about physical activity.
Physical education, and also you were assaulting a student, so yeah, you can definitely go to jail for that. So hey, Two Shoes Martha, listen, hun, you wouldn't tell a teacher, right?
Mom, what's your emergency?
Hi, someone assaulted my teacher at school. I was just wondering if that's a federal crime.
Yes, that's a federal crime. Where do you go to school?
LPS Land 101.
Okay, we'll have your sister arrested. Just let us get to your school and we'll arrest your teacher.
Okay, come with me now. Let's go.
Oh, gonna be okay.